Every chicken nugget begins long before the factory here on controlled poultry farms.
Raised under strict conditions, each bird is monitored for growth and health. Precision feeding ensures consistent growth for every chicken nugget bird.
Hydration systems maintain balance in controlled environments.
Airflow is engineered to keep conditions stable at all times.
Climate control directly impacts the quality of every future nugget.
Regular inspections ensure only healthy birds continue forward. Uniform growth is essential for industrial food.
Weight data ensures every batch meets strict standards.
Digital systems guide decisions before processing even begins.
Clean environments reduce risk across the entire chain.
Movement is carefully managed to prevent stress and injury.
The transition from farm to transport begins here.
Every step is structured for efficiency and safety.
Handling methods are designed to maintain quality. Secure containment prepares them for the next stage. Logistics begin moving the process forward. From farm to factory, the journey of chicken nuggets is underway.
The journey to the processing facility begins with controlled transport.
Every route is planned to maintain timing and stability.
Maintaining airflow and motion is critical during transport. Ventilation ensures stable conditions throughout the journey. Precision driving minimizes stress on every load.
The factory environment comes into view.
Entry is controlled to maintain strict standards.
Every shipment is verified before entry.
From transport to processing, the next phase begins. Logistics flow continuously inside modern facilities. Positioning is precise for efficient unloading. The transport phase concludes at the dock. Inside, the next stage awaits. Initial inspection ensures readiness for unloading. Heavy lifting systems take over.
Each movement is controlled for safety and efficiency.
The flow continues without interruption. Before processing, everything is staged for order. This is where raw poultry enters the controlled world of processing. Strict entry protocols protect every stage inside. Sanitation begins before any processing can start. Every detail is controlled to maintain hygiene.
Clean hands are critical in food-grade environments.
Drying completes the sanitation process. Protective gear prevents contamination.
Uniform protection maintains consistency across the facility.
Beyond this point, processing begins.
A synchronized system designed for precision and scale. The raw input enters the controlled workflow.
Manual precision guides the first transition.
Automation begins its role in the process.
Every system is timed with precision. Human oversight ensures consistency at every step. The process transitions seamlessly into preparation. Every component plays a precise role. Synchronization drives efficiency across the line.
Cleaning begins as raw poultry enters controlled processing.
Pressurized water ensures the first layer of cleanliness. Mechanical systems enhance uniform cleaning. Excess moisture is removed before the next stage. Air systems prepare the product for inspection. Human inspection ensures only suitable material proceeds.
Sorting systems organize the flow for consistency.
Uniform sizing improves downstream efficiency.
Refinement begins with careful manual work.
Separation keeps the process clean and efficient.
A second wash reinforces hygiene standards.
Dry surfaces prepare the product for transformation.
Alignment ensures a smooth transition to processing.
Final checks confirm readiness for the next stage.
Multiple streams combine into one unified flow. The transition into transformation begins here. Gravity and machinery guide the next phase. The raw form begins its transformation into a uniform base. The transformation begins as raw poultry is broken down. Uniform texture is essential for consistent nuggets. The base moves seamlessly into blending systems. Blending begins to define the final product. Precise seasoning creates the signature taste. Binders ensure structure and consistency. High-speed blending creates a uniform base. Consistency at this stage defines the final bite. The blended mixture moves toward shaping systems. The next stage shapes the product into recognizable form. Precision molds define every nugget.
Each piece is shaped with exact consistency.
Uniform pieces advance to the next stage.
Inspection ensures consistency before coating.
Alignment prepares the product for coating. The coating stage begins to build texture. A smooth coating forms the base layer. The signature crispy layer begins to take shape. Now the nuggets move toward the most critical transformation stage. Heat defines texture, color, and final structure. Instant frying locks in shape and flavor.
Precision systems ensure even cooking across every piece.
Every bubble reflects controlled industrial heat.
Temperature precision ensures perfect consistency.
Controlled movement prevents uneven cooking. Color signals the perfect transformation stage.
Drainage ensures crisp, final texture.
Sustainability is built into modern processing. Cooling stabilizes texture after frying. Rapid cooling preserves crispness. Balance is key to the final product quality. Quality checks confirm perfect frying results.
Only uniform results proceed forward.
All production streams unify into final processing. The finishing stage refines the final product.
Robots ensure perfect positioning at every step.
Artificial vision checks every single piece in real time. Every conveyor is synchronized like a living system. Rapid freezing locks in texture and freshness. Temperature control defines product stability.
Automation ensures precise environmental control.
Every batch is screened for absolute safety.
Internal structure is verified without interruption.
Only approved products advance to final processing. Buffer systems balance production flow. The final transformation stage begins here. Automation prepares perfect retail portions. Every pack is measured with precision.
Alignment ensures perfect packaging consistency.
Packaging preserves freshness and quality. Precision systems ensure every pack meets exact standards.
Even the smallest misalignment is corrected automatically.
Final sterilization ensures safe and stable packaging.
Temperature stabilization locks in product integrity. Every product is digitally identified for traceability.
Verification guarantees full tracking from factory to shelf.
A final seal locks in freshness completely. Batch coding ensures full production traceability.
Final checks confirm absolute precision. Packaging structure is formed with automation.
Every box is sealed for safe distribution.
Automation builds perfect shipment pallets.
Shrink wrapping secures the entire load. Finished goods rest before final distribution.
Every batch of chicken nuggets passes through strict laboratory control.
Microbial safety ensures every product meets health standards. Scientific inspection confirms product purity. Temperature resistance guarantees long shelf performance.
Texture and oil balance define product quality.
Consistency is measured with scientific precision.
Moisture levels ensure ideal texture after cooking.
Flavor consistency is scientifically verified.
Packaging must remain perfectly sealed under stress. Shelf life is verified before distribution begins. All data must align before release.
Final approval certifies readiness for market.
Regulatory compliance completes the safety chain.
Traceability ensures complete transparency. Approval triggers global distribution flow. from lab validation to storage readiness.
The final destination before global distribution is controlled storage.
Storage systems preserve product quality at scale. Every zone is continuously monitored for stability.
Artificial intelligence manages global stock in real time.
Automation retrieves products with precision timing.
Every shipment is clearly identified for global delivery.
Logistics begins the final stage of delivery. Each truck is loaded with exact distribution planning. Cold chain integrity begins immediately after loading. Security ensures safe transport across distances. Distribution begins its journey across regions. Cold chain logistics never stops, day or night. From factory to distribution hubs, efficiency drives delivery.
Products are organized for targeted distribution.
Retail-ready units are prepared for store delivery. The final link connects factory to retail shelves. Products reach the final point of sale.
From production line to consumer shelves.
Availability completes the supply chain.
Every product now reaches its final purpose.
Thank you. Have a great day.
The journey completes at the point of purchase.
From factory precision to home kitchens. Preparation brings the product to life.
Heat completes the transformation.
From controlled systems to everyday meals.
And this is how modern factories produce chicken nuggets from start to finish.